With the number of coronavirus cases increasing by the day comes a need for more supplies. ICU beds and ventilators are critical. So we've been tracking just how many are available in hospitals across the state. Beginning last week, there were just over 1,100 ICU beds available. That number hasn't changed significantly, although it did dip to just over 900 today, with even more patients needing ICU care. And if we look at the number of available ventilators, it was pretty steady too. Until today, the total dropped by nearly 400. You see it here on my right. That's nearly a 23% decrease in available ventilators, meaning more people are using them. Coronavirus patients make up 35% of those currently using ICU beds, and nearly a quarter of those using ventilators. Among those tasked with running the machines are respiratory therapists. Mike Puccinelli shows us why the job is in such high demand.
Maren Culberson has been working as a respiratory therapist for more than 20 years, but never has his job been more in demand than during the time of COVID-19.
Because without the respiratory therapist,
these patients don't have a chance.
That's because COVID-19 is a respiratory disease, and when the virus attacks a person's ability to breathe, respiratory therapists like Culberson respond.
They man the ventilators. They clear the airways.
Culberson is among more than 100,000 respiratory therapists working in the country right now. Their job, he says, is to monitor and facilitate the ABCs of resuscitation: airway, breathing, and circulation.
the ABCs are essential because without the ABCs, you get to what?
Death.
To avoid that, respiratory therapists are often within inches of a patient's nose and mouth.
I'm right in the face of this disease, but I'm protected.
That facility is La Rabida Children's Hospital, where for the past 2 days they've had to send possible COVID-19 patients to acute care hospitals.
We have chronic kids on ventilators, so if COVID-19 actually affects these kids, that could be very detrimental to these kids.
And in the coming days and weeks, Culberson expects to see more children in the crosshairs of COVID-19. And although he knows his job has suddenly become life-threatening, he says he's not about to back down now.
I signed up for it, so I'm all about patient care. I'm all about making sure these kids are safe.
And with people like Culberson working in hospitals and ERs all over the country, we should all feel a little safer in the face of COVID-19. Reporting at La Rabida Children's Hospital, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News.
Bravo to that man. Illinois is asking all licensed healthcare providers who are available to help fight the spread of the coronavirus to register at illinoishelps.net. You can see the kind of workers they need scrolling across the bottom of your screen during this newscast.